Hi all. So this entire gutter was 90 degrees off. The only thing that was holding it was the corner edges. So luckily I was able to notice that. I've taken off all of these gutter guards. They are heavy, and in my area, my house, they're not needed. So as far as I'm concerned, they don't need them. So I'm taking them off. But interesting, I had my roof done recently, and you see this lovely little piece of paper that is required for the roofing? They never tucked that in. They never did anything with it. And you can tell because this never got damaged. This is part of the original. So this gutter was off when they did the roof. They never told me, and they just let it continue to dangle because there's staples in the gutter without fixing it, without telling me nothing. I mean, it's just, and then they did a lousy job with this. There's 3 pieces of plywood underneath this roof. That's illegal, but maybe that's how they insulated it. There's no attic right here, so maybe that's the insulation. But anyway, if you're getting your roof done, get on some ladders around your house. Shouldn't need to be said, but little me learning lesson again. Housing, adulting, not fun, but there you go. There's my adulting house for the day. Bye-bye. Hi all, back on the gutter. So this has actually turned into not a bad project. It's only been about 2 hours and we're already practically done. This gutter was falling off the house. I just had another couple days or so before the whole thing was going to collapse. I was just holding on by the 2 corners. The whole middle was literally at 90 degrees. So I don't know much about this. This is not my job, but this is what I did. I got lucky. These little nails, no, I didn't nail this one in, but the nails just get nailed back in, and luckily they're holding, so I don't need to do anything at the current moment to keep them held or to secure this gutter to the house another way. I have noticed, if you see a little ways down, they have this rollaway film. Anyway, I decided to tuck it in, and that's working. Unfortunately, I didn't tuck it in when I was on that section. I wasn't sure what to do with it. I have since decided, which is why that end and this end are now tucked in. Anyway, there you go. Bye. Oh, and by the way, if your ladder likes to sink in the ground, all you need to do is get 2 pieces of wood, and that will hold your ladder from sinking in the ground. Now that I did it this way, let's see if I can get it. See, I didn't tuck that piece in, so I wasn't sure what to quite do with it. But I've decided it's better to be tucked under the gutter, and if rain goes there, because rain will still bead following that line, but I still decided it was better to go down than to go under it the other way. Oh well, I don't know how to undo the wood nails, or those giant nails that are holding this gutter. But here it is, and I'm gonna keep the gutter guards up because that is the only tree, and it's a laurel. It's actually a bush, so I don't really have any trees around my house, so I'm not really too concerned about the gutter guard. As far as I'm concerned, it's an extra nuisance. So they're off, and they're gonna stay off.